Hey guys, hope you are doing well. So we are heading into the last day of this year. So hope you are prepared for an amazing New Year's Eve, and we are jumping in 2023, and hopefully the crypto market will recover. My name is Mike Denkler from CorionX, and I'm bringing you the most important crypto news, technical analysis, altcoin, NFT, DeFi gems to keep you updated and educated. I should state that nothing in this video can be considered as a financial investment advice, so everything just for your education and entertainment purposes only. Always do your own research and make your decisions based on your research. So guys, smash those like, push the bell and notification, or subscribe to the channel if you haven't already done so. Smashing those likes is helping out the YouTube algorithm. So appreciate all your likes, and let's get into our favorite bubble charts. Let's see what's happening out there. As we see, Bitcoin and Ethereum is almost plus minus zero. Ethereum is struggling to break 1200 US dollar, and we see few altcoins are correcting, like GMX, like FX, Aave, Sandbox, HBAR, and also MV. But few altcoins like Aptos, Synthetics, Hex, OKB Curve, and especially Solana after this huge drop is correcting a little bit. So that is why it's in positive. So guys, let's go and check out our favorite indicator, the Crypto Fear and Greed Index. It is at 28, so not too much happening. Investors are still fearful, and looking back 3 months, just overall fear. Looking back 1 year, spent most of the times, almost 80% of the times, in the fear zone. So let's go and check out our first news. Let's see the top 5 crypto winners and losers of 2022. So the first one is GMX. The yearly return, year-to-date return, 111%, and it's a decentralized exchange. Especially, this is a decentralized leverage exchange, so you can trade crypto from your ledger with leverage. The second is Trust Wallet token. So this is a Trust Wallet is owned by Binance, and after the FTX collapse, Trust Wallet started to pump and doing pretty well. And the third is the Leo token. This is an exchange token from Bitfinex exchange. The year-to-date return is just minus 3.5, and yeah, and what a OKB almost 19% minus, and this is also centralized exchange, and Tone Network 33% in loss. Worst 5 cryptos of 2022: Terra Luna almost 100% down, and FTX token FTT 98% down, Solana 93% down, so insane losses on Solana, and yesterday it dipped to $8 US. Axie Infinity 93% down, also this is huge gains, and Sandbox 92.5% down, so this is insane. So if somebody shorted Solana from the peak, then I think that that made a lot of money, but at these levels, for a long term, I'm a buyer, but not a financial advice, as you know. Next piece of news, let's go and check not crypto, but also the stock market and also bond market. So everything had performed really bad in this year. Hedge funds set to mark worst returns in 14 years. So this is the worst returns in 14 years. Hedge funds yearly price returns. So this is the worst. The worst was in 2008. Hedge funds flows by core strategy, relative value strategy, niche strategy, and multi-strategy. Yeah, so also hedge funds were not able to make some profits this year. Next, Cathie Wood buys more Coinbase shares on the cheap. The investors ARK FinTech Innovation ETF purchased almost 160,000 shares that have lost almost 90% this year. So Cathie Wood is down 90%, but he is just making his dollar cost average better with buying more at these levels. Next piece of news is Solana price sinks to single digits for first time in nearly 2 years. So guys, Solana plunged 35% this month and 75% since the FTX saga first broke. And Solana full history. So guys, this is a total collapse. So this is a total collapse. Actually, it's going back to these deep levels. So this is a total collapse. Insane. Okay. So, and the reason that most of the NFT projects are leaving Solana and they are migrating to rival blockchains like Ethereum and Polygon, and also developers are leaving Solana. So this is not good, but this is what's happening. Solana DeFi exchange Radium hacked for over 2 million US dollar. So this was also not a good occasion, not a good thing for Solana, this hack. And next piece of news is top Solana NFT projects are jumping ship to Ethereum and Polygon. And yeah, so this is the yachts and other NFT projects switching to Polygon and Solana. So good to see that there is some movement. We have come to the realization that in order to grow, we need to explore new opportunities. We believe that now is the time to take a calculated risk, embark on a new journey. After all, the biggest risk is not taking one. Yes, so this is. And next, Alameda Research liquidates Ethereum-based token holdings for Bitcoin. Data from Arkham Intelligence indicates that 1.7 million worth of the tokens was sold. How could that be? How could that be, guys? How could that be? Alameda wallets funnel over 1.7 million via crypto mixer overnight. So they used the crypto mixer and they exchanged Ethereum-based tokens for Bitcoin. This is a kind of crypto mixer, really strange, but let's see. Okay, so this is the address, and using other protocols and mixers or whatever. Whew, guys. Currently, ChangeNow's compliance team is working closely with investigators to detect the flow of the illegal funds while also keeping a close eye on alerts from the community of funds with suspicious trail. So 270 Ethereum, 800,000 USDT, 200,000 USDT, under 200 and 200,000. So yeah, USDT and Ethereum. And how could they spend these coins? So this is a hacker, or this is still Sam Bankman-Fried holding the keys, or how could they transfer those coins? Regulators in the Bahamas are holding 3.5 billion in FTX customer assets. So good to hear that from more than 10 billions they already had possession, had take over 3.5 billion. Hope the creditors and clients will get that. BMW taps CoinWeb and BNB chain for blockchain loyalty program. So BMW is tapping into crypto, and let's see what they are doing. Customers will be rewarded with loyalty points and they will be able to spend within the ecosystem. Our hope is that there will be a future global rollout, but currently our partnership is for Thailand. So they are studying for Thailand and hopefully they will extend it. Next, International Chess Federation checks into Web3 with Avalanche integration. The Global Chess Authority is looking to onboard the game's 500 million players into Web3 with the new partnership. So guys, 500 million players would be much more than we have crypto users right now. So that will push crypto adoption further. So let's play chess and let's support this movement. So guys, let's go and check out my Twitter feed. Definitely follow me at MIKLOS Dankler on Twitter. Also follow Korean platform and definitely follow laserpunk_gods, our NFT launchpad. So shitcoins not looking too bad compared to stonks. Uh, there are a few well-known names like Coinbase down 92%, Robinhood down 91%, Zoom is down almost 90%, Spotify 80%, Tesla 72%, and Netflix almost 60%. Give a like and share. Bitcoin inverted chart shows an eye of the storm pattern. This is by TechDev, and let's check these charts. So this is a Bitcoin inverted, I think monthly charts. Yeah, so monthly chart or a weekly chart. Let's get into this. So this is a 2-week chart. So this is an inverted chart. That was the top, the all-time high in last year November, and this is how the Bitcoin crashed this year. And this is an inverted, how should I say, inverted, this is a wedge, inverted chart, but this is a wedge, and wedge used to break down. This is a bearish wedge, and this is eye of the storm, and also RSI should break because it's the inverted chart shows some overbought signs, but actually this is oversold. Hack could be an asset that if the number of its holders increasing. So Bitcoin is not dead because the holders of the assets are increasing, and as you see, almost more than around 40 million addresses with non-zero, but this is a tiny little bit fraction compared to the 8 billion people out there. Bitcoin exchange outflow is back. Accumulation has been stronger than ever. This has been the biggest exchange outflow in since July 2022. So this is the Bitcoin outflow, and that was caused by the FTX saga. But now exchange outflow starting to just cooling down. Bitcoin whales are buying heavily during this bear market. So this is the Bitcoin price, and the yellow is the addresses that holding more than 10,000 Bitcoin, and the 7-day moving average. And guys, the price going down, and the whales are buying those Bitcoins. What an instant house. Yeah, I like this. Can't remember a better opportunity to buy Bitcoin for long term at historical oversold RSI areas that on these days. There is no difference if you bought at 20,000, 16,000 or 10,000. So these are extremely oversold levels and Bitcoin bottom in the cycles. Next, should you learn coding to build your crypto projects? Definitely give a like. Laserpunk_guys wishing us a Merry Christmas. So guys, that's it. Let's go and check out what do we have here. What else? Let's go and check out our CorionX farms. Go to Uniswap or go to PancakeSwap, provide some liquidity in the liquidity pools with equal amount of CorionX and Ethereum or CorionX and BNB, and lock up your LPs on our farms. You can earn up to 330% on the Ethereum farm and 122% APR on the Binance Smart Chain farm. So try out and just harvest your profits and just do the best what you can do with them. So guys, let's go and check out some charts. Also, there is this long-term hodlers of BTC at 85%. So 85% of the hodlers are long-term hodlers now. So guys, let's go and check out what the market is doing. GMX is down a little bit, but let's check the stock market. I'm really curious what the stocks did today. So the stock market is slightly in minus, but yesterday they pumped, And let's check what Bitcoin is doing. So almost nothing. So side waving and consolidating, and the volatility is at the lowest levels since weeks. So Bitcoin actually is correcting and just consolidating, not too much happening here. Let's go to the 4-hourly chart. Almost the same, almost the same. So that was a channel. If Bitcoin will get back to this channel, that we can make some trades. I have a risky long setup here, but guys, this is really risky, but hopefully we will bounce here after breaking these horizontal trend lines at 16,580. So guys, that's it for today. Hope you enjoyed, hope you learned something. Enjoy the New Year's Eve. Let's go and having some party, and let's get back next year, and let's start a new bull market and a new cycle. So guys, smash those like, push the bell notification, or subscribe to the channel. Be sure you are following us on Twitter, visiting our farms, and see you in the next year. Bye.